So today I'm going to share with you 6 of my absolute favorite niches to work with in Google Ads. I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to show you some actual numbers of some real campaigns of clients that we work with. And I'm also going to give you a little calculator if you want it, and some other great information. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Mike Mancini. I'm a Google Ads agency owner for the last 10 years. So in my Google Ads agency, I work specifically with home service niches. So let's jump into some actual types of companies that I absolutely love to work with, and I'm going to show you some numbers. Those of you who have been here before know I love calculators and little tools. I'll give you a chance to get this calculator at the end. So this floor refinishing service, they have a monthly budget of $1,000. Their average service, it runs about $3,000. Sometimes it's a little bit lower, but sometimes it's way higher, meaning we've gotten them jobs at $25,000. But their average service, we just went on the low end here for $3,000. They produce about 60% profit, right? They don't have much for materials and things like that. They're really just paying labor. So they make about 60% profit. This is an actual number. They have a high-end service and their cost per click is $23. Now that may seem high, but once again, you'll see the numbers here and what they do. The ads have been converting at 19.88%. And this is their close rate. They close about 60% of the people that they talk to. They have a very good sales guy who does a really good job. So they get about 43 clicks a month. That's it, right? Because it's $23, they're only spending $1,000. They get around 8 to 10 leads a month, but they close approximately 5 of them. Here's about how much they generate just from one of their campaigns. Their cost to acquire new customers is $1,000. This is what they pay for their costs, so they make a profit of $8,300. So for every dollar they spend, they make about an average of $15.51 back. So you can see the return on investment, the return on ad spend. I'm not going to walk you through all of the numbers on everyone, but I want to show you some of the reasons why we love these companies. They invest $1,000, they make $8,300. Number 2 is hot tub repair and pool repair companies. Once again, actual campaign, they put $1,500 a month in. They make on average $350 each call. Okay, you can see their sales numbers. The beautiful thing about this campaign is their cost per click is super low, specifically because they don't have a lot of competition. They generate about $19,000 a month in revenue from $1,500 a month ad spend. On profit, they make almost $10,000 a month. They give me $1,500. I essentially give them $10,000 back. It's a win-win. This is a client that's been with me for over 10 years. Now, just real quick before I show you the next one, if you love these types of videos, please do me a favor. Just hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It really does help us in the eyes of YouTube. Appreciate it. This is actually a newer client. They put in about $3,000 a month for irrigation services like installing sprinkler systems. Their second month in their campaign, they got 22 leads and they generated approximately $40,000 in business with a profit of almost $13,000. They spent $3,000, they made $13,000. That was only in month 2 of this campaign with a return on investment of 1,220%. Not bad. This is another new campaign, $1,500 ad spend. An average service is about $2,500. They generate $46,000 from this campaign. Can you imagine giving somebody $1,500 and they generate $46,000 for your business? This is why I love these types of home services. This is why I love these types of campaigns. Not only that, but their profit is almost $30,000 off of $1,500 a month ad spend. I assume this is going to be a very long-term client. Another niche I love, family law and divorce attorneys. This particular client spends about $3,000 a month. Their average service is about $3,500. Their ads are converting at 20%. For every lead they talk to, they convert about 40%. But look at the revenue generated from $3,000 in ads, $105,000 of revenue. Their profit just off this campaign ends up being around $60,000. Now, I want to point out that this cost of product as well as these close rates are coming directly from the clients. And these are people that track this information, so I know they're being accurate. Last but not least, one of my absolute favorite campaigns I've ever run, been a client for about 4 years, is a fence company. Now, they have a budget that's larger than most, but this is what happens when you take some of your profits, reinvest them into your Google Ads, and you can see what can happen. Their budget now is about $15,000 a month. On average, they make about $3,000 a job. Their ads are converting at 23%. They're converting about 35%. Actually, I think they're converting higher than this, around 42% right now, but I'm going to leave 35% in there just to show you the numbers. In 1 month alone, they spent 15 grand and they're making 418 with a profit of $152,000. This is why I love home services, why I love the niche. Now, these are just some of my favorite. We also work with plumbers, electricians. We work with junk removal companies. We work with a number of others, but these are just some of my favorite. And once again, these are actual numbers from actual client campaigns. But when you make a return for your clients like this, what do you think the odds are they're going to stick with you month after month and year after year? More than 60% of our clients have been with us for 4 years or longer because we can show them these types of numbers. And it might sound kind of cheesy, but you really help enrich their business and enrich their lives. Starting a digital agency is one of the best things and most fulfilling jobs I've ever had. If you want my little ROI calculator, I promise you could have it. There's a link in the description area. No opt-in required. Please just go check it out. There's instructions on that page on how to use it. And once again, please like and subscribe. And over to the right-hand side, you will see some more related videos. Thank you so very much for watching. I do greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.